Well, welcome to Luscombe Suzuki in Leeds on this beautiful afternoon. I'm very proud to be able to present you today this 1717 Toyota CHR XL Auto. Now, this is the hybrid engine. What does that mean, you ask? Well, it's a 1.8 petrol, but it also has a battery on it, and it's non-charging. So what it does, when you're accelerating, the battery gives you a bit more power, a bit of boost to help you, and when you're braking, the battery will recharge itself. Now, when I go into the car, it has got an EV mode, which means that for a short distance, and only a short distance, you can drive it on the battery only. That's enough of that. Let's tell you more about the car. Now, the CHR, when it came out, I think was one of the best looking cars about. Absolutely lovely. And on this one, you've got the looks, the spec, and the price to go with it. So it's got front and rear parking sensors, lovely alloy wheels, and just look how the body is. The curves, everything, it just flows. And now we've got into the sun, hopefully you can see this is the blizzard white metallic. Looks absolutely stunning with the alloy wheels and the black polypropylene on the door handles and the rear windows, which are tinted. The car itself is a 5-seater, lots of space for 5 people, and great boot space. I've shown you the front sensors, there's the rear sensors, and inside it's also got a reversing camera, so hopefully, touch wood, you shouldn't have any issues with parking. You see the rear spoiler just adds to the style of the car. Now, the video's only a couple of minutes long, and to show you everything about this car, it probably need to be about 10 minutes, because the car has got great spec, which I'll show you a little bit about as we go into the car. Let me open the door. So when we open the door, you're greeted by a lovely interior. It's half leather, and when you feel this, the quilted part is really soft and comfy. You can see there's no rips, no tears. It's been really well looked after, the car. It even carries on into the doors. So when we first get in, we're drawn to the big monitor in the center. You've got your Satnav, you've got DAB radio stations, you've got Bluetooth, you've got your settings, and here a lot of things you can tell in your car: fuel consumption, the energy, what's left in the battery, everything. So as you come down, you've got your climate control, you've got heated seats on passenger and driver, you've got your automatic gearbox, and then you've got a little cubby hole. You've got a multifunction steering wheel, which has your Bluetooth, it has your cruise control, you've got lane departure warning. And the thing I like on this particularly, if you have a look on the wing mirror, let me show you, you got this little thing here, blind spot monitoring. So if you're going to overtake or want to pull out, and there's a car that the car thinks there might be a collision or it's coming close, it'll warn you so you don't leave the lane. How good's that? So that's a little bit about the car. Please click on our website at luscombes.co.uk, click on the car, you'll see a lot more photos, about 50 plus, but the most important thing is you'll see a video, a technician's appraisal video, which will show you the car the day it came into our dealership, and the video will show you underneath, it'll show you under the bonnet, everything, and give you a good idea of what the car's like. Thank you for watching the video, and we look forward to meeting you soon. Bye bye.